How to put AirTags on wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video we're going to be discussing as to how we can put AirTags on our wallet so that we can locate it whenever we lose our wallet or something. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I've got a very normal and spiky kind of wallet over here, and then let's say I want to place it in my wallet. It's very simple to do that. Now you can actually buy a wallet that is designed to put AirTags in it, right? So there are different types of wallet that you can actually buy to put these items such as AirTag or GPS trackers or tiles or anything as such. But you can say this is just a normal wallet. I don't have any type of fancy pockets or anything. All I have is this pockets for card and this pockets for card as well. And this is basically the place to keep the cashes, right? And if I want to actually place it, I can just put it somewhere safe right inside it until it doesn't fall off. So as you can see, it's not going to basically fall off because it can fit a lot of cash in it. And obviously it is not still that thick though. If you want to still carry it in your pocket, you can do that. If you want to carry it inside the pocket of your bag, whatever else you think is actually convenient for you, you can be able to do that. And if you want to remove it, just find it and remove it that way. But keep in mind that as long as it's too thin, then you will be able to notice that there is an AirTag in it. But then you can actually do this if you want to. And I'll also make sure to drop a link down below where you can basically find this AirTags wallet that is designed to put AirTags in it. So hope this video helps you as to how you can actually put your AirTag inside your wallet. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.